Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, class, we meet again in our English lesson today. So before we start our lesson, we should pray first. Please, Nunsiha, lead your
Yes,
friends to
ma'am.
pray together.
Okay. Before we study, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Nunsiha. Let me check your attendance first. Is Erika here?
Ada, ma'am.
Okay. What about Dian?
Iya, ma'am.
Okay. Angel? Angel, where is Angel?
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay. Maya, where are you, Maya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bambang? Bambang, where are you? Are you with us?
Panggil Bu Guru itu.
Bambang is not
Bambang, Bambang jangan tinggal. Bambang ngelamun.
Okay, I see. Bambang is
Bambang ngerjakan
thinking about.
matematika, Miss.
Oh,
Selesai.
ya matematikanya nanti lagi. Jangan ngerjakan matematika dulu, kita bahasa Inggris dulu. Next, Khotimah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Mantevin? Mantevin?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Robertus?
Yes, I am here.
Okay. Nunsiha, okay, I see you, Nunsiha. The last one, Murianti. Is Murianti absent today?
Maybe come late, ma'am.
Oh, coming late. Okay, that's fine. So, class, how is life?
Very well, ma'am.
Oh, very well. Yes. It's raining, but we have to still be semangat ya. Okay, do you still remember what we learned last week? Do you still remember? What did we learn last week?
Kemarin saya enggak masuk, ma'am.
Oh, Nunsiha, where were you last week, Nunsiha?
Izin, ma'am, ada kepentingan.
Okay, jadi minggu lalu kita belajar tentang letter. Letter apa? What kind of letter?
Letter.
Personal letter.
No, it's invitation letter.
Invitation letter.
Yes, it's invitation letter. Do you still remember what are the parts of invitation letter? We have
No, ma'am.
yes, Khotimah.
Ada yang tidak resmi, ma'am.
Ada yang resmi dan tidak resmi. Oke. Kalau struktur teksnya, bagian dari suratnya itu apa aja ya? Anyone still remember? Maya? Do you still remember, Maya?
Lupa, ma'am.
Oh, lupa. Okay, I will remind you again that there are three parts of the letter. Yes. The first one, the first one.
Date. No.
Ya, date itu bagian dari body. Tapi sebelumnya kita akan menyebutkan
Salutation.
ya, itu bagian dari body. Jadi tadi ada yang bagian yang diundang dulu, kemudian badinya ada tanggal, ada salutation, kemudian pihak yang mengundang. Okay, that's very good. Now I will continue to the next lesson. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang text procedure. Oke, jadi kita akan belajar bagaimana sih kita tahu untuk mengerjakan sesuatu berdasarkan apa yang sudah dituliskan. Sebelumnya kita mengerjakan pretest dulu ya.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to prepare your pen and also a paper. I will show you the pretest. Okay. Can you see the pretest?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear? You can see it clearly, right?
Yes, clear.
Okay, very clear, good. Now, this is the pretest. There is a text, how to use chopsticks. Now, the question, there are 3 questions. The first one is what kind of text is this? The second one, what is the social function of the text? And the third one, do you know the structure of the text? Okay, mention and explain. I'll give you 5 minutes, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Chopstick
Yes.
itu apa, ma'am? Chopstick.
Chopsticks. You can see the picture. Is anyone know chopsticks?
Sumpit,
This
ma'am.
Itu madu, Bu. Sempit madu.
Yes. To eat mie ayam. To eat.
Oh,
Usually
iya.
people use it for eating noodles. Okay, the time is up. You have to collect your answer. Okay, now we go on into the next one. Can you answer the question? Nursiha, can you answer the question of the pretest?
I'm not sure,
Oh,
ma'am.
not sure. Okay, that's fine. We are going to see about what's it? How to insert a SIM card. Okay. Do you have a mobile phone?
Maaf, Bu. Terlalu
Oh, terlalu
Kecil, Bu.
kecil. Baik, sebentar ya. Oke. Oke. Nah, do you have a mobile phone, students?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
yes.
Yes, I have,
Okay.
ma'am.
If you want to use your mobile phone, you have to insert a SIM card. There are many kinds of provider that you can use. Ada banyak sekali jenis SIM card yang bisa digunakan. Misalnya, for example, Telkomsel, Indosat, and many others. Now, do you know how to insert a SIM card? What do we need?
I don't know, ma'am.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. First, we need a mobile phone, right? After that, we need
Handphone.
what is it? Okay, handphone. Then, what else? What do we need for insert a SIM card?
Jarum. Card.
This one?
Jarum.
Yes. Can you see this? Okay, can you see this? It's like a needle. Yeah, SIM card ejector. Yeah, it's like a needle. So you have to use it to insert a SIM card. Okay, and also the SIM card itself. Now, how to insert a SIM card? What we do first? What do we do?
Dibuka, ma'am. Buka HP-nya.
Buka dulu, ma'am.
Okay, if you have a case of your mobile phone, then you just open it. Okay, you open it. Right now, it's okay. You can see the SIM card slot here. Then you put the SIM card ejector into the
Slot.
put the small SIM card into the slot. What next? Apalagi
Next.
selanjutnya? We
Masukkan
okay.
SIM-nya.
Put the slot into the mobile phone. Very good. Okay. Now the mobile phone is ready
To use.
to use. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, do you know what we are going to learn? What I said before? About what?
About step
How
to do
insert.
something.
Okay, steps to do something. Very good, Nunsiha. So we are going to learn about the steps to do something or to make something. Tetapi tujuan pembelajaran kita adalah how to do something. Tetapi Miss akan memberikan contoh juga untuk yang how to make something. Sudah pernah membuat omelet ya di rumah?
Belum, Mem.
Belum. Oh, kalau telur dadar seperti telur dadar ya, omelet itu ya.
Oh ya, Mem.
Ya, oke. Ini ada omelet. Kemudian, have you ever used an iron? Sudah
Always,
pernah menggunakan
every time.
always,
Yes.
every time. Okay. So you understand how to use an iron, right? What do we do first if you want to use an iron? What do we do first?
Put into
We have-
electric slot.
Okay, we have to put into the electricity. Then after that,
Wait
have-
until. Wait.
we have to turn on first.
Yes,
Turn
I see.
on.
Wait until
Right.
hot.
Okay, wait.
Until hot.
And then we can use the iron to
Our clothes.
okay, yeah, that's very good, Martevin. Okay, that's what we are going to learn today. So we are going to learn about the procedure text. Right? Now I will give you the English
Procedure.
handout. Yes, procedure, Martevin. That's very good. Okay, this is the handout. Okay, what we are going to learn, the first is the definition of procedure. Yes, the second one is,
Social function.
social function. And then the,
Generic structure.
okay, the generic structure. And after that, we are going to learn about the language features. Language features itu unsur kebahasaan. Kita menggunakan
Simple
First,
present tense.
Simple present yang bagaimana, Bu?
sequence, and then imperative sentence, and the last one is action verb. So in this handout, you can read it by yourself about the definition, social function, generic structure, yeah, and also the language features. And there is an example of how to insert a SIM card that we have mentioned before. Okay, now I'm going to divide you into several groups, okay, to do the worksheet. Okay, the group one is Erika, Dian, Angel, and Maya. Okay, the group Bambang, Hotima, and Martevin. And the last group is Robertus, Nunziha, and Marianti. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. So what we are going to do is we have 4 tasks, right, before the presentation. Okay. This is the guideline how to do the task. Oke, kita akan belajar tentang reading activity. Do you know what is reading? Do you know? Reading, oke, membaca ya. Oke, jadi there are 2 texts. Ya, there are text. Then you have to read the following text and then realize the general structure of the text. Jadi tadi di handout sudah contohkan untuk bagaimana kita menarik your group have to find out by K for each group. You have to analyze the generic structure. There are 2 texts. The first one is how to make a cup of coffee, and the second is how to use an iron. And you have to answer what the difference is. The first one, how to make a coffee. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, the first one is how to make a cup of coffee. What we need for making a coffee?
Coffee, sugar, water.
Okay, hot water. Yeah, okay, and a spoon. Okay, and this is the procedure, the step of making a cup of coffee. Next to the type 2, how to use an iron. Okay, what do we need for using an iron? What do we need?
Iron.
Prepare your iron. Yeah, that's very good, Nunsiha. Okay, and the steps. Now, do you know what is the difference between the 2 tasks? You have to discuss it with your groups. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, is that enough?
Kurang,
5
ma'am.
minutes?
Kurang.
Terus how
10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes ya. I give you 10 minutes to do the task 1. Okay, please.
Ibu, generic structure itu apa?
Oh, generic structure itu sama seperti ini, Martevin. Seperti kemarin kita belajar tentang invitation letter. Jadi ada pihak yang mengundang, pihak yang diundang, kemudian ada body, ada parts of the text, kemudian ada di bawahnya itu adalah pihak yang mengundang. Jadi itu adalah struktur teks. Okay?
Oh, sama dengan struktur teks ya, Bu.
Ya, betul sekali. Jadi apa sih yang ada di dalam teks tersebut? So you can see from the handout. You can read it from your handout. Procedure apa saja generic structure-nya.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you.
Dian, is there any question, Dian? No,
ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Group 1, okay, very good. Group 1, okay. Group 1 is doing very well. Group 2, Bambang, is there any question, Bambang, or do you find a difficulty in doing the?
Ibu. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Ibu.
Roberto, what's
Too
wrong?
noise. Yeah, too noise is this room. Too much
Pardon me?
noise. Noise is class. Noise is room.
Okay. Now it's very clear, right? Have you finished, students?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, Nunsiha. Now, do you know what is different between the two texts, Nunsiha? Do you know what is the difference?
There are the first. Ini step cara membuat, menghasilkan, gitu ya, mem. Terus yang kedua itu
very good.
cara kita menggunakan, mem.
Okay, now about the content of the procedure text, is there any difference? Ada perbedaan tidak dari yang pertama dan kedua? Isinya ada yang beda tidak?
Ini yang belum paham, mem.
Okay.
Ibu.
Yes, Robertus.
Ibu.
Yes.
Steps di situ nama orang, Ibu. Soalnya steps yang ada di kami di sini nama orang.
Oh no. Steps is how the procedure is done. So itu urutan langkahnya, ya.
Kalau di sini step itu
Oh ya, I know.
Tahap-tahap ya.
Ya, betul, tahapannya, langkah-langkahnya, the steps. Oke.
Jadi bukan step yang ada di right.
Bukan. Stephanie.
Itu
That's
step.
It's usually Stephanie. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the difference we can see if you see in this part, you can read ingredients. Okay, you read ingredients, but if you
Paham Bu.
Yeah, okay. You try to
Kalau di teks pertama, teks pertama pakai bahan, sedangkan yang di teks kedua tidak.
Okay, ya.
Alatnya saja begitu. Yang saya lihat bedanya.
Yes, excellent answer from Martevin. So, in the text one, you have ingredients, right? But in the text two, you only need the material that you will use for the procedure text. Okay, is there any questions, students, about the first task? No? Okay.
Nothing, no.
Okay, very good. Now we go on to the reading activity for the task 2. There are 5 questions and you have to answer the 5 questions with your group, okay? You can see the question here and you have to answer it. I'll give you 5 minutes, okay?
5 menit Ibu mau jawab itu. 5 menit
Yeah, is that enough or
10 menit.
Okay.
Kurang waktunya, Bu.
Okay, 10 minutes ya.
Saya kurang kosakata Bu.
Ini soalnya
ya,
jadi
baik.
hot mem. Soalnya hot.
Iya, soalnya hot biar apa? Biar kita terbiasa untuk. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes ya. 10 minutes. You have to discuss with your friend and you have to answer the 5 questions. Okay, starts from now. If you have any question, you just need to raise your hand. Okay.
Raise your hand ya, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Nunsiha. Do you have any question?
Enggak, kalau nggak paham, raise your hand ya, ma'am.
Yes.
Saya
I will
lanjut.
help you.
Silakan.
Oh, baik. Okay. Okay, the time is up, students. So you have to go on to the next activity, which is the writing activity. Okay, can you see? This is a procedure text. that you have to make, and you can see for each picture there is a keyword. Jadi setiap gambar ada keywordnya. Have you ever seen this machine? Ada yang sudah pernah lihat ini mesin apa ya?
Oh ya.
Itu yang biasa ambil uang itu Ibu.
Nah, betul. Untuk
Saya
mengambil
biasa
uang.
kirim.
Apa namanya?
Mesin ATM ya, mesin ATM.
ATM Bu, ATM.
ATM itu apa Bu? ATM
Automatic.
Oke, automatic.
mesin
Teller machine.
Oke. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia
Oh, terima
diartikan
kasih Robert.
ya, oke. So there are the steps of do the transaction using ATM. Okay, there are the keywords and also the pictures. You have to make a sentence, only a sentence for each picture. Ya, jadi buat satu kalimat untuk setiap gambar. Ya, you can do it with your group. I will give you 10 minutes more. Alright, okay? Do you understand? This is okay. This is the first picture, the second one, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the last picture. Okay. Okay, I think the time is up. So, what we are going to do next is we collect the answer of your group. Okay, the group 1, Erika and friends. The group 2, Bambang and friends. And the third one is Robertus and friends. So you have to collect your answer, and we are going to do the presentation next week. Okay, so each group has to prepare. Ya, setiap grup harus mempersiapkan untuk presentasi minggu depan. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I think the time is up. Okay. So what we can conclude, we have learned about what?
Prosedur teks.
Okay, procedure text.
Steps to do something, Ma.
Okay, how to do something. Very good, Martevin. What about Dian? What did we learn today, Dian?
Saya
to
Bu.
make something.
Okay. Next, Robertus.
Saya Bu.
Okay, explain your opinion.
Yeah, I think the first one we need to prepare anything we need. Yeah, the tools and ingredients.
Wow. Okay. And the next one, we have to. After we prepare, we have to
Knowing the
to
steps.
do the.
Knowing the steps.
Okay, very
To know
You have
the
to follow
to know the
the
steps.
Okay, very good. So you understand about material today, which is the procedure text. Are you feeling happy today learning the English together?
Yes,
with me?
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Maya, are you happy?
I'm happy, man.
Oh, okay. What makes you happy today learning English together with me?
Senang diskusi, mem. Terus banyak gambar-gambar itu mem menarik gambarnya, mem.
Okay, suka ya karena we do the discussion and there are a lot of pictures. Okay, so don't forget about the next meeting. We are going to have presentation. Oh, I almost forget. You have to also record ya. Jadi harus merekam ketika kalian membacakan teks prosedur. Okay? You have to do this individually. individually. So you can save it on your mobile phone, right? Then you have to send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay? Did you get my point?
Oke.
Okay, very good.
Ibu, yang tidak ada, saya tidak ada HP, Bu. I don't have mobile phone.
Oh, you don't have mobile phone. Okay.
Ya,
Dear
Bu.
friend, you can ask Martevin. You can ask your
Beli saya HP
friend.
mainan itu, Bu.
No, that's very. We need a lot of money, right, to buy a mobile phone.
Saya-
You can ask your friend, or okay, next week you are going to read the procedure text that you have with your group in front of me. Okay, so you don't need to record. Okay. Is there still any question? No.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you very much. See you next
Thank
week.
you.
And bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Cuma.
Yeah.